Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern, trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Dive into the world of contemporary bathroom design with our latest video showcasing modern washroom ideas that will inspire you next renovation project. From sleek minimalism to luxurious spa-like retreats, we have created a collection of innovative designs to suit every taste and space. Discover the latest trends in fixtures, finishes, and layout optimizations that will transform your bathroom into a stylish oasis of relaxation. Whether you are a design enthusiast or simply seeking practical solutions, these ideas will help you create the bathroom of your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe for more home designs inspiration. Incorporating the latest trends in fixtures, finishes, and layout optimizations can truly transform your bathroom into a stylish oasis of relaxation. Here are some key trends to consider. Number 1. Move away from traditional chrome finishes and option for matte black finishes for a sleek and modern look. Black faucets, shower heads, and hardware add a bold contrast and sophistication to the space. Number 2. Create a luxurious spa-like atmosphere with a freestanding bathtub as the centerpiece of bathroom. Choose from modern designs with clean lines and ergonomic shapes for maximum comfort and visual appeal. Number 3. Embrace the beauty of nature by incorporating natural materials such as wood, stone, and marble into your bathroom design. These materials add warmth, textures, and a sense of serenity to the space. Number 4. Make a statement with bold and intricate tile designs on the floor, walls, or backsplash. Option for geometric patterns, macarons inspired motifs, or artisanal tiles to add visual interest and personality to your bathroom. Number 5. Maximize space and minimize clutter with smart solutions such as built-in shelving, recessed cabinets, and vanity drawers with organizational inserts. Keep the design clean and minimalistic to maintain a sense of openness and tranquility. Number 6. Create ambience and enhance the functionality of your bathroom with LED lighting. Install dimmable lights around mirrors, under cabinets, and in shower niches to provide both task and mood lighting options. Number 7. Achieve a modern and spacious feel in your bathroom with a frameless glass shower interior. This minimalistic design not only visually enlarges the space but also allows natural light to flow freely, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. By incorporating these latest trends in fixtures, finishes, and layout optimization, you can transform your bathroom into a stylish process of relaxation that reflects your personal style and enhances your daily routine. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.